Introducing a cordless vacuum cleaner recommended by allergists, specifically designed for allergy sufferers and pet-owning households. With an impressive 24-hour runtime on a single charge, it can thoroughly clean a 5,000 square foot home. Featuring 80,000 high-frequency pats per minute and a powerful 15,000 pascals cyclone suction, it effortlessly removes pet hair from deep within carpets. Equipped with a medical-grade HEPA filter, it securely captures 99.97% of dust mites, pollen, and other allergens. Our exclusive UV sterilization function has been lab-certified to eliminate 99.9% of surface bacteria, providing the safest protection for your babies and pets. The patented anti-tangle brush head means no more worries about tangled pet hair. Plus, the smart LCD screen displays real-time battery and suction power levels. The washable HEPA filter saves you $120 annually on replacement costs, making it both economical and eco-friendly. Available at half price today, with a 30-day no-questions-asked return policy. Over 50,000 American families have tried and loved it. What are you waiting for? Don't miss out, or you'll have to wait another 6 months.